Next one is pure inventory vouchers. Pure inventory vouchers are those that do not affect financial records. They will affect stocks, and stocks will rise or fall when such vouchers are entered. Here we can see 6 inventory vouchers. First one is receipt note. It is used to record the goods which we received. For example, if goods received from vendors, then we have to record in receipt note. Second one is delivery note. If we deliver the goods to customer, then we have to record in delivery note. Third one is rejection in. It is used to record the goods received back which are rejected by a customer. Fourth one is rejection out. It is used to record the goods that are rejected and returned to a supplier. Fifth one is stock journal. If we transfer the stock from one location to another location or from one godown to another godown, then we have to use stock journal. And last one is physical stock. It is used to record the actual stock as physically verified or counted. Generally, the stock will be recorded in physical stock at initial stage. Now click on Inventory Voucher and we can see Stock Journal, and remaining all other vouchers are in disable mode. Rejection in, rejection out, delivery note, receipt note. And physical stock is in enable mode. Now I am selecting physical stock. Here we have to give stock which we have. Here I am giving ceiling fans. Already we have 7 ceiling fans. Now I am giving 3. Next I am giving table fans, 3 numbers, grinders, 3 numbers, and mixie, 3 numbers. And finally click on accept. Like this we added physical stocks. We can see the total items in reports, that is in stock summary. Here we can see the items which we entered now. Now I am getting back. If we want to activate remaining other vouchers, then click on features and give yes for the options, use tracking numbers, and use rejection inward or outward notes, and finally click on accept. Now we can see all these vouchers are in enable mode. We did not have godowns, so first we have to create godowns. So click on features, inventory features, and give yes for option maintain multiple godowns, and finally click on accept. Now select inventory information, godowns, create. Here I am giving Park Street. Press enter key and click on accept. Next I am giving Beach Street. Like this we created 2 godowns. Now select inventory voucher creation and click on receipt note. Generally receipt note is used to record the goods which we received. Here I am selecting Prakash Company, and if we want we can give suppliers details here. Here I am selecting credit purchases. I am giving item name ceiling fan, and here we have to give tracking number 1 for giving link to the accounts. Next we have to give godown name Beach Street and quantity is 5. Press enter key, end of list. Next item is table fan. Tracking number is 1. Main location. Quantity is 5 numbers. End of list. Press enter key and Y key. Now click on stock summary. Then we can see all details of the items. Here we can see quantity is increased for ceiling fans and table fans, and there is no changes in quantity for grinders and mixie. Next I am selecting delivery note. It means we send stock to the customers. Here I am selecting Ram company and I am not giving other details like order details, receipt details and buyer details. Credit sales. Under name of the items, I am selecting ceiling fan. Tracking number is 1. Beach Street. And the quantity is 4. End of the list. Press enter key and Y key. Select stock summary. Here we can see 4 ceiling fans. Next I am selecting rejection in voucher. Here I am selecting Ram company and rejected item is ceiling fan. Tracking number is 1. Beach Street. 3 numbers. End of the list. Click on accept. Now we can see all the changes in stock summary. Ceiling fan is increased by 2 because Ram company is returned 2 ceiling fans. In same way, we can select rejection out voucher. Here I am selecting Prakash company, table fan, tracking number is 1, main location, 5 numbers, end of the list. Press enter key and Y key. In stock summary, we can see 4 table fans. Like this, we can control all these vouchers.